Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to address a common issue faced by Signal app users. When the app isn't working properly, we'll guide you through some easy step-by-step solutions to get Signal back on track. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Open a web browser or any other app that requires the internet to confirm that connectivity is not the issue. If your connection is weak, consider switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Step 2. Restart the app. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can solve many problems. Close the Signal app completely by swiping it away in your recent applications, then reopen it. Step 3. Update the app. An outdated version of Signal may cause issues. Check the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, for any available updates. If an update is present, download and install it. Step 4. Restart your device. Rebooting your device can help reset connections and resolve temporary glitches. Hold the power button and select Restart or Reboot from the options. Step 5. Clear the cache, Android. For Android users, clearing the cache can help fix unwanted app behavior. Go to Settings, Apps, Signal, Storage, Clear Cache. Step 6. Check app permissions. Ensure that Signal has the necessary permissions to function correctly. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Signal Permissions, and make sure all required permissions are granted. Step 7. Reinstall Signal. If none of the previous steps worked, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. This can resolve deeper issues that a simple update might not address. Remember to back up your chat history if you do not want to lose it. Step 8. Contact support. If Signal is still not working, reach out to their support. You can find help on their official website or community forums. Provide details about the issues you're experiencing to receive better assistance. Thank you for following this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and solutions.